प्यारी कुंज बिहारी मेरे श्री हरिदास दुलारी। श्यामा प्यारी कुंज बिहारी मेरे श्री हरिदास दुलारी। श्यामा प्यारी कुंज बिहारी जय जय श्री राधे। प्रभु जी मोस्ट वेलकम, स्वागत है आपका। एक चेयर लेके आओगे? एक मिनट चेयर ले आओगे? आइए प्रभु जी। So actually we are associated with His Holiness Sri Hanuman Prasad Poddar ji. He used to be the very close friend of Prabhupada. So Prabhupada, you must have heard about Gita Press Gorakhpur.
Yes.
Gita Press Gorakhpur. Param Pujya Bhai ji, Param Shraddheya His Holiness Hanuman Prasad Poddar ji, he was the first donor of the Bhagavatam of Prabhupada. You must have read it in Prabhupada Leelamrit.
Yes.
It's been given.
I was the first person to help him to print
Yeah.
everything. Yeah.
But he also helped in the Prabhupada journey to America.
Yeah. So it is related.
It's related. It's directly related. Prabhupada used to come to Gita Vatika also. Gita Vatika, where Param Pujya, we call His Holiness Hanuman Prasad Poddar ji as Bhai ji. We call him Bhai ji. Prabhupada used to call him Dada. Prabhupada used to call him as his big brother. Or you must be knowing about His Holiness Radha Govind Das Goswami Maharaj. His Holiness Radha Govind Goswami Maharaj, initially he was associated with Bhaiji, and Bhaiji sent him. Bhaiji means His Holiness Hanuman Prasad Poddar. Shri Radha Madhavji, we just count Prabhupada as one of our gurus. Shri Prabhupada ki jai. Your nice name, Prabhuji?
My name is Madhu Das. Madhu Vrata Das.
मधु व्रत दास. कितना सुंदर नाम है. एक बार आप स्वागत में बोलेंगे जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे. Do you understand Hindi, Prabhuji?
मैं सीखना हूँ.
सीख रहे हैं.
धीरे. Few words. My Guru Maharaja told me to learn Hindi. I'm actually now I will stay in India. I'm not in tourist business. I'm staying in India.
How long have you been here in India?
Over 1 year.
Huh?
Over 1 year.
Over 1 year. Going to be 1 year.
No, going to be lifetime hopefully.
Ah.
I have visa for 5 years. Then I have to come back and renew. After 11 years, I can try to get citizenship.
He has got the visa of 5 years, but right now Prabhuji is planning to be this. He wants to stay in India permanently. Haribol, Haribol. Great Prabhuji. Really, it's really it's our pleasure, and we are grateful to you that Jaswant Prabhu just. Huh? जसवंत प्रभु लेके आए हैं. हाँ ठीक है. जस्ट थैंक्स फॉर, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. देखिए भक्त आए हैं मंदिर में. स्वागत भक्तों का विशेष करना ही चाहिए. देखिए इन विदेशी भक्तों को देख के यह लगता है कि हम भारतीय लोग जो भगवान की भक्ति कर रहे हैं, अपने जैसे अपने घर की बात होती है ना, तो a prophet is never honored his own country. हमारे यहाँ हिंदी में एक कहावत है, घर का जोगी जोगड़ा, बाहर का जोगी सिद्ध. बहुत बड़ी बात है. प्रभुपाद विदेशों में गए और आज इतने भक्त भगवान की भक्ति कर रहे हैं, राधा रानी की, श्याम सुंदर से. कितने लोगों को श्री कृष्ण से जोड़ा. तो बहुत पहले मुझे 2004 की बात याद है. हम एक भजन सुना करते थे, तो उसमें ये पंक्तियां थी, जगत गुरु जय श्रील प्रभुपाद, जगत गुरु जय श्रील प्रभुपाद. कृष्ण की भक्ति को बढ़ाया तुमने, नाम के धन को लुटाया तुमने. कृष्ण की भक्ति को बढ़ाया तुमने, नाम के लुटाया तुमने. बांट दिया तुमने हरि नाम का प्रसाद, बांट दिया तुमने हरि नाम का प्रसाद. जगत गुरु जय श्री प्रभुपाद. पूज्य भाई जी, आज हम प्रभु जी, I want to tell you one confidential thing. When every preacher of ISKCON starts his preaching, and he starts from Jai Radha Madhava Jai Kunj Bihari.
Yes.
Have you heard? Jai Radha Madhava.
From Bhagavatam, Prabhupada started, then became as a custom.
Every time Prabhupada used to start his preaching from this or
Each
this
Bhagavatam lecture.
this kirtan, Jai Radha Madhava Jai Kunj Bihari. It has been basically written by His Holiness Hanuman Prasad Poddar ji, and he gifted this special kirtan, and he just wrote this kirtan specifically for Prabhupada. And Prabhupada promised him to just make this kirtan famous across the world. That's why
It was beautiful.
this kirtan, ये भाई जी एक्चुअली जो अपने परम पूज्य बाबूजी हैं, उनके जो भगवत स्वरूप है, उनका नाम उन्होंने हमेशा राधा माधव नाम से, और राधा माधव चिंतन, हर चीज राधा माधव संकीर्तन मंडल, इसीलिए जय राधा माधव जय कुंज बिहारी। शोलापुर में मुझे इस्कॉन के एक बहुत वरिष्ठ भक्त ने ये बात बताई, वो बहुत बड़ी बात है। हम बहुत स्वागत करते हैं और भगवान से बहुत प्रार्थना करते हैं, ऐसे बहुत सारे भक्त पूरे विश्व में भगवान के सुंदर, श्री कृष्ण के सुंदर नाम को पूरे विश्व में प्रचारित करें, प्रसारित करें, ऐसी भगवान से प्रार्थना है। आज मैंने पहले ही सोचा था कि मैं कुछ बोलूंगा, भगवान ने चाहा तो मैं आगे भी बोलूंगा, ऐसी हिम्मत रही तो। और हिज ग्रेस मधुव्रत दास प्रभु, प्रभु जी अभी would you like to attend the Shayan Aarti also? Shayan Aarti, I think it's going to start right now, just within 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
Sandhya Arati.
Shayan Aarti.
Sure.
Shayan Aarti. You can call it Sandhya Aarti, इस्कॉन में शयन आरती होती है।
संध्या आरती अलग होती है, संध्या आरती तो शाम के समय वाली
इस्कॉन में शयन आरती
शयन
होती है।
आरती नहीं होती भैया, वो वैसे ही मतलब क्लास में कीर्तन पढ़ा।
एक्चुअली शयन आरती बेसिकली, हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, और वैष्णव संप्रदाय और आफ्टर संध्या आरती शयन आरती इज देन, वेयर जस्ट व्हेन लॉर्ड कृष्ण एंड श्रीमती राधा रानी जस्ट दे गो टू स्लीप,
Yeah, just call it.
that is called Shayan Aarti. Or but in ISKCON, that Sandhya Aarti is the last Aarti. Sandhya Aarti is the last. But
There
we
is also Sharya Arati, as you call it, putting deity to sleep. There's also offering of kheer. Different offerings.
मतलब गाई नहीं जाती भैया, वैसे मतलब भगवान की आरती तो होती है, जैसे शयन से पहले ना वो अंदर पुजारी करते हैं, गाई नहीं जाती है,
अच्छा,
वैसे कोई गाय नहीं, वैसे
दर्शन
आते
करते
हैं,
हैं,
दर्शन नहीं, बट जैसे भगवान को वो आरती वगैरह ऑफरिंग्स करके पट बंद कर दिए जाते हैं, मतलब भोग खिला।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है। प्रभु जी भी अटेंड करेंगे, आप शयन आरती प्रारंभ कीजिए। Just it will take 5 or 10 minutes, प्रभु जी।
Like Prabhupada went to the West, was the only reason was to spread this spiritual knowledge, spiritual science, and culture of India. I mean, India, previously known as Bharatavarsha, was the whole world. Mahabharat was the history of great India. So that was his emphasis, to spread spiritual knowledge. In India, still, until this day, people have some, they know something about Krishna, about different gods, but there is not this deep understanding. It's lacking. That's why we have so many misconceptions in India. There is, people are confused, as are people in the Western countries as well. But there is not clear understanding. Who is Bhagavan? Is he Shivaji or Ganapatji or this Devata or that Devata or Krishna? And what does it mean that he is Bhagavan in the second person? So Prabhupada, he brings that knowledge for the Western people, for mlechas. I was Mitutel. I am telling that with full, it's shameful. I am ashamed of that, but that's how it was. Prabhupada saved us. So, by that, by this practical example of myself or others who are trying to support somehow Prabhupada and his disciples in his mission, you can see that it works, because this knowledge is connected to Guru Parampara and to Krishna directly. So that's why it has potency. So this is only one request. This is your culture. This is your. There is no other. This is the biggest wealth of India: spiritual culture, spiritual knowledge, Vedic knowledge, specifically speaking. So I see tendency in India. In Indian people, they try to pursue this material advancement, become successful, get your degree, become a doctor, this, that, get your job, go to America, go to UK, and just run away from that place. And then they'll become happy. This is the propaganda. It was like that all over the world.
Yeah.
It's now in India. It's so intense. I see in the Western countries, in this kind of developed countries like UK, Germany, this, that, they are kind of, of course, they are materialists, 100% Pakka materialists, but they are like, they are not they're not pushing so much as Indian people, because it's new. Previously, India means mostly village life. Cities came up after, there were no big cities previously, 100 years ago, for example, let's say. Is it? Mostly in India, people were living, they had cows, they had their own land. These are the vestiges of Vedic culture. So, yeah, I just try to make the point that this is your own culture, you should be proud of it, and try to understand why it is valuable. There is very deep philosophy beyond it. It's of course, bhakti, as Prabhupada was translating this word bhakti from Sanskrit as not devotional, as devotional service. Because you can express your devotion, you love other person, wife, children, whoever. How you express your devotion? By service. You want to serve them, you want to make them happy. So this devotional service, that is the Krishna Prema, this is the essence of the Vedas. Krishna is the goal of the Vedas. So, by Krishna's, Prabhupada's mercy, we can know about it and try to spread in India as well. Because tendency, as you can see also, I'm sure, people want to forget. And it's very sad. People in the West, they are already fed up with many people with this materialistic way of life.
Because they are fed up.
They are fed up.
Yeah.
It happened in 60s when Prabhupada went to the West. There was so many this hippie movement.
Hippies.
They were from rich families, middle class, they had cars, but they seen that these people are not happy. My parents, relatives, neighbors, they're just superficially like, how are you? I'm okay. Oh, very nice. But it's empty. It's empty. Especially in UK, like I've been living in Ireland for a while. It's you can see these people. It's like kind of this kind of artificial smile, like this.
Artificial smile.
But you can see from the eyes that they are suffering. They have nice cars. They have nice roads. They are not hoarding all the time. There is no this crazy traffic. Like it's kind of clean and neat. But these people are not happy. I've been distributing Prabhupada's books there, and I speak with so many people every day. So many people have expressed their frustration with life, reality. And they are looking for something else, for some alternative. So it's always like that. Anyway, you are fortunate. You are born in India. You know you have at least the background, you know, karma reincarnation. There is some idea about it. Make use of it. Just try to understand who are you, who is Bhagavan, what is the relationship. In the West, even they don't have. They speak something about soul, about God, but there is no idea. What I saying, there is soul. You are the body and you have soul. From various scriptures we know that we are the soul. That we are the Atma, the living entity, and this body, Panchabhut, is just skin, bones, blood, nothing else. Fat, like a little more. Nothing else is there. So this basic understanding is lacking.
They don't know exactly कि body and body dwellers are two different things. This science was just brought by Prabhupada to the West.
I mean, I speak of these major religions and major understanding. Now people have become more and more aware. This is due to Prabhupada's books, of course. Karma, reincarnation, some basic ideas. It's like coming more and more into mainstream. But in general, it's very, very, very poor. So the spiritual understanding, what does it mean? Spiritual. There's another misunderstanding. Yeah. So just these few words. Please try to take it seriously. Determination is required. Spiritual life is it's simple but not easy sometimes. Some tapasya is required. Anyway, try to read books, Shastras, Bhagavad Gita especially. This is Krishna's mercy for us. He didn't tell Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. Arjuna was Nitya Siddha. He is his eternal companion, Krishna. This was directed for us, for conditioned souls. So, especially in ISKCON, the devotees will make statistics among book distributors, because this is our main thing, that is reading Prabhupada's books, Bhagavad Gita. And Bhagavad Gita made the biggest number of devotees who joined, actually. It's like, I cannot remember now numbers, but it was prevailing. There's so much potency. Anyway, thank you. Please take it seriously. Try to understand. Try to serve Krishna. We are fortunate already. We are born in India. I was born in. I just want to forget about it.
आप बहुत भाग्यशाली हैं, आपका भारत में जन्म हुआ, प्रभु जी बार बार ये कह रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं कि देखिए हमें ये भी नहीं पता था कि भगवान कौन विदेशों में, और ये लगता है कि भारत में कई भगवान हैं, शिव जी हैं, गणपति हैं, पर वास्तव में भगवान कौन श्री कृष्ण भगवान हैं। ये बात हम लोगों को विदेशों में पता लगी प्रभुपाद की कृपा से। पूरी मटेरियलिस्टिक लाइफ है और विदेशों में और एक आर्टिफिशियल हंसी के बारे में प्रभु जी ने बताया कि सब लोग कहते हैं कि मैं आप अकेले, लेकिन उनकी आंखें बताती हैं कि किस तरीके से वो लोग दुखी हैं। और वास्तविक अध्यात्म किसे कहते हैं, आध्यात्मिक होना किसे कहते हैं। आप लोग बहुत भाग्यशाली हैं, फॉर्चुनेट हैं कि आपका जन्म, आप यू आर बॉर्न इन इंडिया। तो ठीक है, बहुत बड़ी बात है। भारतवर्ष में जन्म होने के बाद में वो भगवान से प्रेम है, ये बात तो प्रभु जी का। और बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करते हैं प्रभु जी। Really just grateful to you. You came and just shared your just part of your knowledge with us. Thank you very much.
It's not my knowledge, it's now God's mercy, Krishna's mercy.
Indeed an honor to be with you. Great. देखिए पोलैंड से आए, यूरोप से आए और भगवान के भक्त हैं। भक्तों के साथ होना, डिवोटीज के साथ होना बहुत बड़ी बात है। जय जय श्री राम।